In this video, I will show you how to export selected frames to PDF in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Next, go to your board and select the frame you want to export. Click on it to highlight it and you will notice a row of options appearing just above the frame. On the right side of that row, click on the three-dotted menu button and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Export as Image. Another pop-up will show up, giving you several options for export size. You can choose from small, medium, large, or vector depending on the quality of size you prefer. After selecting your desired option, click on Export and Miro will automatically download your frame to your computer as a PNG file. And that's how to export selected frames to PDF in Miro.